Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into your Nokia G20. First of all, go into Play Store and find X icon editor application. This one. Need installing this application. I'm already installed this, so click open and wait a second for opening. Then click close add, And now you need to choose your application. For example, maybe Warface. Okay. And first option in the list will be background color and then shape. So maybe like rectangle will be okay. Oh no, maybe like star. And for saving this, you need to click OK in the top right corner. Wait a second for generating. Sorry, need to close ads one more time. And click add automatically. And now we got a new icon style of our Warface. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.